Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, CD Rodeva, back on your screen once again, and in today's video we are going to be discussing foods that basically just help your hair grow, that promote growth, strength, moisture, hydration, and so forth. Okay, not hydration, well, depends. But before we get into that, I first want to say thank you guys so much. Now I'm going to be talking to you that keeps coming back to my videos, that whereby your notification bell is on and you comment in the comment section and be like, I'm here, I'm first. I want to say thank you, and I want to let you know that you guys keep me on my feet, and I try my hardest to be consistent. I don't think I have not been consistent specifically in the last 5 months, and I just want to say, if you are new, welcome to this personality. We got a lot of personalities in stores just for you. And you know what, because I'm a Gemini, I will literally tailor make. I will sit down and decide, because you watch me, I'm going to tailor make my personality so it can suit you, so that you can come back and be like, I like that chick. And I want to let you guys know that I see you, you know, and I appreciate you guys. It gives me so much joy when I post a video and you guys are just like, it's me, I'm first, I'm this, and I'm just like notification gang, and I'm like, yes, they are waiting for me, and I don't take that for granted. That's why I don't want to disappoint, you know. That's why I try to make my videos as informative as possible, but also keeping it very simple, and I don't ever want to overwhelm you guys. So with that being said, if you're not on the list, what are you doing? Also, if you've made it this far, you might as well subscribe, leave your name, you know, leave your country. Next time you just might make it on the list. Who knows? You know, take your chances, honey. Okay, Jolene. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, we've got Jolene on the list. What's good? We've got Asanele. We've got Dorothy. We've got Oleta. I love your name. I hope I'm saying it right, but I think I just like names that begin with an O. I don't know what's going on, but I really like your name, just so you know. And then we've got Sibokazi and Mosandiwa. I hope I said your name right. If I didn't, I'm so sorry. But without any further ado, guys, let me get right into today's video, because I want to keep it short. I want to give it straight to the point. So let us get right into today's video. Alright, so for me, eating healthy, it's not something that I kind of go on a diet to eat healthy. For me, eating healthy is a lifestyle. So me telling you guys about this food, in my head, I'm thinking you guys are already consuming this, but then I don't think everybody is, or I don't even think people are aware which foods they should consume should they want to focus their, I don't know, on growing their hair, for example, right? So the important vitamins and nutrients that I'm going to be discussing today is zinc, vitamin E, biotin, did I say iron, and niacin, right? If I'm looking down, I got my notes here. And then I want to first let you guys know that your hair is made out of protein. It's a protein called creatine, and that basically just means it's important to also consume it so that it can strengthen. So whatever food you consume can help to also strengthen your hair, right? So the first thing we're going to talk about is iron. I'm anemic, so if my hair's falling out and my hair's shedding and it's like all of this, don't worry. I have anemia, right? But basically, iron helps to more than anything. I feel like I say basically a lot, and I'm going to try to actually not say basically in this whole video. Right, so iron helps to support hair and strengthen it more than anything, and it also helps to deliver oxygen and other nutrients to your hair. And when you don't have iron, how must the nutrients get to your hair? How must the transport get to your hair? It won't. So make sure that you guys are consuming foods that are high in iron, such as your liver, your kale, your spinach, wheatgrass. I eat wheatgrass. I grow my own wheatgrass because it's high in iron, so I ensure that I consume such foods just so I can also help my body out, you know. And I also am on folic acid and all that kind of stuff, but we're not going to get into my medicals, you know. It's whatever. And then we're going to talk about biotin. When I started my hair journey, after I big chopped the first month, which was in January, I went on biotin and I consumed it with vitamin E, because vitamin E helps to absorb whatever it is you're going to be consuming. It helps to absorb it into your body, into your bloodstream, into your hair, into your face, into your everything. So basically, biotin, not only does it help to grow your hair, but it also helps to strengthen it and defends your hair from being damaged. So I went on biotin pills, but today's video is not about supplements, so I will dedicate a specific video on biotin, specifically with vitamin E, and how to basically use them to help grow your hair. Now, food that is high in biotin, I would say eggs have a good balance of protein and biotin, so just stick to eggs, you know. And yeah. And then the next nutrient or vitamin we're going to talk about is vitamin E, which helps with shedding. So if you have a lot of shedding, like myself, that's why I also use vitamin E oil in my oils, and I also ensure that I consume foods that have vitamin E. And like I already addressed, that vitamin E helps to absorb whatever it is that you're going to be consuming. And then niacin niacin is basically, it has a high concentration of B3, of vitamin B3 and without it, literally without it, your hair follicles cannot, listen to me when I say, if you do not consume vitamin B3, your hair cannot produce itself effectively. Okay, I don't even know how to explain it. If you are not consuming anything that has vitamin B3, your hair cannot grow. Your hair will not, like, you won't have hair. But obviously, if you have hair on your head, which means you are consuming foods that consist of vitamin B3, okay, which is niacin. Right, then zinc. Listen, zinc is just straightforward to the point. If you don't have zinc in your diet, your hair will fall out. That's it, you know, that is it. Now, some of the foods that I would actually recommend that you guys start consuming is spinach, kale, wheatgrass, which I already addressed, which are very high in iron. Carrots are high in biotin. Fish, any kind of fish, which has omega-3 and fatty acids, which are amazing for your hair. Eggs, I already mentioned. You guys know that you can do an egg deep condition. A lot of products do, like that egg mayonnaise thing. It consists of eggs, mayonnaise, high in protein. That screams that is a protein treatment, and it's not a moisturizing treatment. And then you can also eat berries, blueberries, strawberries. They have very high levels of antioxidants, and which help to strengthen your hair. So I suggest that you start drink your smoothies. I drink my smoothies. Are you drinking your smoothies? I don't know. Then we've got sweet potato. You guys already know this, you know. Some people also have make, I don't know, some sort of potato juices for their hair and stuff, but not gonna get into that today, you know. Separate video. But more than anything, just know that sweet potato actually increases your natural sebum in your hair, which is basically your hair produces, it has its own little moisturizer. You know, it comes from your scalp. Even if you don't have products, your hair will somehow try to survive, you know, and still produce sebum. As long as if you're eating your sweet potatoes, you should be fine. And then we've got avocados. Not even gonna get into that. Y'all know avocado, everything is great for you. It has great, healthy, fatty nutrients in them that help with shine, with strengthening of the hair, growth of the hair, moisturizing of the hair more than anything. And then you've got your beans. I am a lentil girl. I eat lentils because my sister is vegan, if you guys don't know. So obviously most of the time my meal, they consist of beans, lentils, different kinds. Like, yo, chickpeas actually tastes like chicken, like literally it tastes like chicken. But they're called chickpeas, peas, not beans, not chickpea beans, just chickpeas, okay? And then they're high in iron, they're high in everything, in specifically protein and iron and zinc, so get into it. Then you've got your normal things such as your nuts, your seeds, bananas are very high in potassium, so get into it. Do a hair mask, eat your bananas, and also sometimes use the banana peel and put it on your skin. It's actually great for lightening up dark spots. My mom uses that. I should probably do it, but I don't. But I know my mom does it and it works. I am a niacinamide serum, vitamin E serum type of girl. You know, I'm more on the chemical, my mom is more natural. But anyway, I hope this video helped you guys, and just my 2 cents really. For me, because I am not only anemic, but I'm lactose intolerant, I have IBS, so eating healthy for me is it's not something I'm just like, hey, it's not an option. For me, it's mandatory to eat healthy, not only for health reasons, but because I like my skin. I want to keep my skin young, because I want to keep my eyes bright. I eat my carrots. I want to keep my teeth white, so I don't consume coffee. You see what I mean? So yeah, and yeah, so I hope this video helped you guys, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Please subscribe if you made it this far. It would mean so much to me, and bye for now.